up, y'all? Hey, let's unveil it. We here. All right, y'all. Let's get up in here. Let's see what we got. Lord, yeah. Hey, little 2-bedroom trailer, y'all. Got a little island here. It needs a little work done to it. I've already started on some things. Got some soft spots in the floor. Got a little wall patching I got to do. Get some new blinds. Put that up. Weather stripping around the windows. Got a little laundry room. We'll get that fixed up, painted up, looking good. Got us a little back deck here. Yeah, we're gonna rip this off. That's for sure. We'll rebuild that. Got us a little backyard, little back lot. Ooh, look at that. Nice big old field. Hey, we might get us a bucket down there in that field. Let's go on in here. Let's see what we got going on in here. Let's go check this out. This room here pretty good. Just got to go in and do some work on the walls and get some paint jobs going on. Do a little cleaning. Some more of that. That's a little shower. Look at that, y'all. Looking pretty good. I tell you, it just needs a little tender love and care. That's all it needs. We back in the kitchen. Got us a kitchen. We'll redo these cabinets and everything. Get all them straight. We're going to have to redo that island. So we'll pull this floor up. All that tile, we'll pull that up. We'll go in and cut all the rod out, put down new floor, new tile, and then we'll re-put that island back in. Get all this painted up in here good. Get these walls patched up. Got some more back in here. Let's see here. Got another bathroom. It's got some real bad soft spots in it, but hey, we can. The frame is good, and that's what matters. The frame is good. And we got us another bedroom here. It's got some soft spots in the flooring too, but I tell you, doesn't. Hey, Hey, it looks good, y'all. We just need a little tender love and care on it. I tell you, all you need is a little willpower. I hope all y'all have a beautiful, Hey, I'm overwhelmed with this, y'all. Hey, I hope y'all have a beautiful and amazing new year up and coming, y'all. And I'm proof. Don't give up. Don't ever give up. I'm proof. If I ain't a proof enough for you, there ain't none. Hey, God bless y'all and thank all of y'all. Much love. Stay tuned because we're going to have updates on every bit of things done to this. Love y'all. Be safe.